Okay, so now it's time to start testing our system. We have our dog tag here with our black button and our red button. We have our start-stop switch here in the stop position, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to test the manual mode. So at this point here, we're going to flip it to the run position, and we're going to attempt to start the bike. And it won't start. Okay, so we're going to flip it back to stop position. We have our dog tag. We're going to go ahead, we're going to push the black button, and now we're going to flip it to start position. You can hear it start it up. Start button. There we go. We're going to go ahead and test our system now. We have our dog tag. Our buttons here are black and are red, and we're going to go ahead and do a test of the manual mode of operating the system. We go ahead, we're going to flip the switch to the start position. Try the start button. Okay, nothing happening. So we're in the run position here, nothing on the starter. We're going to hit the black button. You can hear the bike starts up. And we can go ahead and start the bike. Next up here, we're going to show you how to switch modes on your dog tag. So right now it's in manual mode, that's how it comes shipped. We're going to put it in automatic mode. We're going to push and hold both buttons. You'll see the red LED comes on. As soon as that goes out, we'll let go of the buttons. You'll see it blink 5 times. That lets us know that we're now in automatic mode. If we want to switch it back, we go ahead, push both buttons again. You'll see the LEDs on. Wait for it to go out. And as soon as it goes out, push the black button 2 times. See that LED blink 3 times. We're now back in manual mode. Alright, so next up here we're going to test the automatic mode. So right now the run stop is in the stop position. We're going to go ahead and flip it to the start position. As you can see, nothing happens, no start. Okay, I've placed my dog tag off in the distance here. I'm going to walk over and pick it up. We're going to test the range as I walk back to the bike. There we go, it's kicked on. About 10 feet away or so. There you have it, DGD KIM, Digital Guard Dog Keyless Ignition Module. Easy to install, even easier to use. Happy riding.